All right, guys, I'm all tied up here. What do you think? Would this make a good thumbnail? Hi guys, welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. My name is Cindy and thank you for watching. Now, if you are wondering where Anika is, she is probably sitting in a pool, soaking up the sun, and she left me to shovel the snow and make some videos all on my own. Well, Christmas is just around the corner, and this video is we're going to show you our top smart tech Christmas gifts under $50. And if you want to check out my YouTube channel, you can always do that. The link is down below, and that's free. All right. Now, if you enjoy being entertained while learning about cool tech, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon. That's going to notify you when Anika and when we release our new video. That's right. Also, please use our Amazon links if you shop on Amazon. Those links are in every one of our videos, and they really do help us out. Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the juicy details. Now, we did a few videos on how to build a smart home with a budget. And in this one, we're going to give you ideas on what you can get that special someone for Christmas, all under 50 smackers. That's right. We think a video doorbell is one of the most important security devices you can have in your home, right? So we have the good ones, and they are usually priced over $50. So start with adding a security camera to monitor your home, and then you can get them under $50, like the Helm Vision and Ye Security. They record motion and send alerts to your phone. They are also a great deterrent. No one wants to be recorded on video. Hello. Tekken also sent us smart plugs, which are right here, and Wi-Fi switches, which are right here. I mean, my goodness, they are all under $50, and even outlets that are under $50. They are the perfect start to set up your smart home and can be controlled by your Amazon Echo or Google Home. That's right. They are also a fan of setting up smart LEDs to brighten up your home or give it that party look. Hello. Who doesn't want a bright idea like that? We sent these smart strip lights by Lighting Ever and Govee, or Govee. I'm still not sure how to say that. Let me know in the comments below. And they look great under your kitchen cabinets, behind the TV, or even stringing yourself up. I mean, lighting up your home or your backyard, and they make a big difference to your home. And we put the links down below in the description. This one here is probably one you don't realize you need until it's too late. It's a car dash camera. And honestly, this is amazing. It's under $50, and we did a couple of videos showing you how to install them. But basically, you get into an accident, it's your word against theirs. With the dash cam, you can prove that the other person was at fault. It is also great for your protection. So if you get pulled over by the police, you can flip it around to the window and have them see the whole video and audio conversation that's recorded. And we posted a link to various ones down below for that as well. One thing I like, which I don't have right in front of me, are those multi-use wireless charging stations that charge your phones, your watch, your AirPods. I mean, they organize everything, and you can set it, leave it right on your night table without all the messy wires everywhere. And if none of these ideas tickle your fancy, then how about this cool merch? I mean, we got the t-shirt, we got the mask, we have the pillow. I mean, what do you think of it? Let us know. And then you can take home Anika. Even if she's not here, she'll be there, right? Now, these are great ideas, all under $50. Do you have any other ideas that we can mention, or that you can think of, or that we have mentioned before that we aren't mentioning now? Let us know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, I ask that you please do share it on social media. And you can see our latest videos right here on the side. You can subscribe to see more videos, and follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and don't forget to check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. Thanks for watching.